Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz GLC 3.0 GLC43 V6 AMG Premium Plus G-Tronic 4MATIC. Now, this vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in obsidian black metallic. To start off with, then you have your multi-beam LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 21-inch multi-spoke AMG alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing the obsidian black exterior colour. You have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a large amount of space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Moving through the rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery with a contrasting red stitch. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery once again, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. As well as this vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats in this vehicle are electronically adjustable, and as well as this they are memory seats as well, allowing you to resume your comfortable position, and they are also heated. On your multifunctional steering wheel you have your hands-free options, volume controls and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your digital dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 15,296 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your Mercedes infotainment system you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And you also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to, along with your dynamic select with a variety of different driving modes, so you can find one suited to you and your driving style. You also have a 360 view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction. This has been a presentation on a Mercedes-Benz GLC 3.0 GLC43 V6 AMG Premium Plus G-Tronic 4MATIC that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.